Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Today, we have an incredibly inspiring topic that aligns with the wisdom of Sandeep Maheshwari: how to make money without knowing anything. But remember, this journey requires dedication and a belief in your own potential. First, remember the power of the beginner's mind. In the words of Sandeep Maheshwari, when you don't know anything, you have the advantage of not having any preconceived notions. Embrace this. Explore different fields with curiosity. So let's get started to this episode of Believation, where belief meets reality. Number 1. Start with online resources. In today's digital age, we have a wealth of knowledge at our fingertips. Use the internet to learn. Platforms like YouTube, Khan Academy, Coursera, and Udemy offer countless free or affordable courses on various subjects. Sandeep Maheshwari encourages us to tap into this advantage by staying open-minded and exploring various fields with a genuine desire to learn and grow. This mindset can lead to new opportunities and creative solutions, even when you're starting with little prior knowledge. Number 2. Discover your passions. Take the time to discover your passions. What excites you? What makes you lose track of time? By aligning your journey with your interests, you'll find the motivation to learn and excel. Sandeep Maheshwari emphasizes that when you align your path with your passions, you naturally become more motivated to learn and excel in that area. It's about finding what truly inspires and drives you, as this can be the key to finding fulfillment and success in your endeavors. Number 3. Network and learn. Network with experts in your chosen field. Attend webinars, conferences, and seminars. Connect with mentors who can guide you. Networking can open doors and provide valuable insights. Sandeep Maheshwari suggests that networking is a valuable tool that can open doors to opportunities and provide valuable knowledge and advice, helping you on your journey even if you're starting with little prior expertise. Number 3. Start small. Start small. Consider freelance work or part-time gigs related to your newfound knowledge. Gain practical experience while you learn. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Sandeep Maheshwari encourages this approach by suggesting that you consider freelance work or part-time opportunities that align with your newfound knowledge. This allows you to gain valuable practical experience while you continue to learn and grow. Remember, every expert began as a beginner, so starting small is a natural part of the learning process. Number 4. Learn from failure. Don't fear failure. Embrace it as a learning opportunity. Failure is a part of growth. Sandeep Maheshwari reminds us that success lies in your failure. So don't let setbacks discourage you. Sandeep Maheshwari emphasizes that failure is a natural part of the journey and that success often emerges from the lessons learned through these failures. It's a reminder to stay resilient and not let setbacks discourage you, but instead, use them as stepping stones toward your goals. Number 5. Take calculated risks. As you gain knowledge and experience, don't hesitate to take calculated risks. Entrepreneurship, investments, and creative ventures can lead to financial success, even if you started with little knowledge. Sandeep Maheshwari motivates us to consider entrepreneurship, investments, and creative ventures as avenues for financial success, even if we begin with limited knowledge. It's about being thoughtful and strategic in your choices, aiming to capitalize on opportunities that align with your growing expertise and goals. Number 6. Be patient. Lastly, be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and financial success won't happen overnight. Keep learning, growing, and believing in yourself. Sandeep Maheshwari encourages us to remember that significant accomplishments don't happen overnight, just as Rome wasn't built in a day. It's about maintaining a steady commitment to learning, personal growth, and self-belief, even when results may not be immediate. Conclusion. In conclusion, making money without prior knowledge is possible, but it's a journey that requires determination and self-belief. Remember Sandeep Maheshwari's words: believe in yourself, you are stronger than you think. If you found this video inspiring, please hit that like button, share it with someone who needs motivation, and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content. Together, we can achieve our dreams and create a brighter future. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, stay motivated, stay inspired, and keep working towards your financial goals. Believe in yourself, you've got this. And join my Telegram and become family now. and don't forget to check out some of the best products down below. Thank you.